So this is gold chart. I finished my analysis on gold. This is the daily time frame. So this is a bigger trend line which the market is reacting on currently. So it's a bigger trend line. The market, all these are touches, bounce, bounce. This one came here, bounce, went up. Now came the last one, came this current one, bounce. So from what I'm seeing here, it's not giving assurance that the market will continue to buy. It might buy a bit and starts dropping again. So from what I am seeing now, the market might approach this level, this trend line. There's another potential level. So checking what I'm about to do today. This is daily time frame, looking at the chart and the market structure of how the market is currently. So this is first touch, second touch. The market still push up again, for now drop. So this one now, this was the trend line that this market, after it broke it, let's go to smaller time frame. So this was that trend. After market now broke this trend line, and now began to drop aggressively, no rest. So let's go close to what we're having for today. So I will know what I'm doing today. So I use trend line, I use psychological levels, I'll use my strategy, frequent and the recent zones of different time frames. Because gold moves from one zone to another, one level to another, flowing trend. So currently now the market just came down at this level. It was a resistance zone that turned to support. So it was this level. Initially it was a resistance. So this one broke it. I think this one has come and reacted. Then this one now come and tap it again. The third one. So and the third one signifies maybe breaking it. As it has touched the third one now, the level is no longer strong. It's this second one that was strong. Now push up, went very far. Now came down again to tap it. So that was bigger view of market. So checking what we are going to do today from what is currently happening. So going to a 1 hour time frame. This is the trend line. So the market formed a bullish momentum. Market formed a bullish momentum in the night. So that was the momentum. Dodge around 2 a.m. Now pushed up. Now broke it. And after it broke it, it now retested a frequent trend line. That's the trend line. Retested this trend line. This is a touch. This is a touch. This is now a touch. It was broken. Now retested. So though we still have another trend line, that's bullish trend line. Which one market comes touch this trend line? Whether touching it at this level or approaching this level to touch it, as long as it is this trend line, the market will still drop. So currently, from the structure, this is a break, and we know majorly we're in a strong bearish trend. So market is just picking momentum from this level and pushing up. So currently, what I'm expecting the market to do right now. Now this trend has been broken right now and came and retested this level. That is 11 in 45 minutes. We tested that level, then start to go up. So right now, what are we going to do? I would have entered this trade, but since I didn't enter, there's no much confirmation. Market just start to drop. So the real move will be if the price comes back again, yeah? Because this is a minor level. And remember this bigger trend line, this bigger view trend line. That was trend line that is coming from downside. That market has already retested and retested. So this is that trend line. So this is that trend line. Market is about to go around that place. So we're majorly on bearish trend currently. Then if market will be able to break this trend line to go up, I'm expecting a huge drop from here. Come down. That is, if this thing happens straight, then we're expecting a push up, a huge drop again. So this thing might happen, or this one might happen. Okay, well now as it come here, still come down to form double top. That means we now confirm that to now go far more. We are looking at, or come here, then so these are the things to be considering in the markets. These are the things to consider in the market: the structure of the market, the chart formation that the market is giving. So though this trend line was just broken, but anything market does here, we now know which one to follow or what to do. So the two things I'm expecting here is market keeps going up, goes here, then drop. Or if this one do not happen, so these are the structures I'm expecting that the market should happen. What I'm expecting to happen in the markets. Because of the structure that is being formed. Or this one will now happen. This one. Then still drop. So I'm just watching to see what will happen here. So let's take this push and keep. And in this place, it won't just be when the market forms, or just have my entry. There will be a confirmation that shows that I should go ahead. So I'm expecting to sell the market at this level. When the market arrives at this level, the market is just very, very volatile at this particular time. So we need to do. So that's it. Good afternoon. Today is Sunday, 22nd of March 2026. So I'm just trying to make a video for the review of this Friday's trade. So that Friday trade which I analyzed in the morning. So this is the result. This what was that later happened after that my analysis. As the price just reacted, played around all this bullish move, then I now expected that morning the price should tap here and now drop. and that's what the market later did that Friday. So as I analyzed and as it was, that's how the market. So this is my Telegram channel. So that was the time, 9:33 a.m. when I posted, when I made the analysis. So this is what I now expect. I had it too. So to know which one that will play around, either the market comes here, so either the market comes here and does this and drop, or just go straight and drop. And why I was making this analysis, the price was just here, towards here, going up. So my expectation is bullish, is bearish for the market to drop, and everything is clear. This is the chart. This is the trend line, bullish trend line. It was broken, retesting to continue dropping. So that was where I analyzed and I was waiting. So later, so the XAUUSD I traded that the same Friday. I post all of them in the group. So later the market now did as I anticipated. So this one I was waiting if price will still come up again to one particular level to drop. So having an understanding about charts will give you an edge in the market. Understanding market structure will give you an edge in the Forex market. So this is what that happened. Went from the low pattern, then draw. So just a quick one. So that's what the market later did that Friday. Let me show you it clearly from here. So that's when in Telegram, this is after the analysis. Second one, if the market will play around like this. So this is now finally what's happened. So that's all for this video. Thank you.